So this is my sample book from Photobookmart. So I have a A4 size bond paper here. So this is how big it is. So the size is 8.5 by 11, medium portrait debossed hardcover. The cover is satin silk 120 GSM linen paper. So the standard pages for this book is 40 pages. The color is cherry red. Okay, the paper is 170 GSM acid-free paper. So the book ends is thick, but it's only one page. Okay, so this is the book for my baby girl's, little girl's birthday, first and second birthday. Okay, the price, I got a voucher from Groupon for 39 Singapore dollars, plus I paid 12 Singapore dollars for the shipping. So the total I paid is 51 Singapore dollars. The base price for this book is 103 Singapore dollars. So the voucher that I got is a really good deal. See? So let me show you. This is the closer look of the cover. Oh, the dirt here. It's better if you can cover your photo books so that you can prevent it from dirt and dust and scratches here. Alright, so the thing that I'm not so sure if I like it, because here they just pasted the picture, so you can see the edges of the picture. I wanted it to be like this one here is a small square cut out, and this picture should be at the first page. I think that would be better. But overall, I really love how they binded the book. It's very clean, very professional, very sleek. Okay. Okay, the website. You can go to their website for more information. www.photobookmart.com.sg. They also have tracking system, tutorials, and the website is easy to surf and easy to understand. They also have FAQs, but they don't have sample book that you can view from sample book from the other customers, not like Photobook Singapore, which you can enjoy some photos from the other customers. Okay, the software is actually different from Photobook Singapore. It is also easy to understand and use. It has a lot of backgrounds and layout and borders to choose from. The thing that I really like about the software is that they have this image enhancement function. The icon will enhance your photos. For example, if you have darker photos, it automatically brightens it. You can also create proofs, and they also have ready books too. So you can also blow up your picture. So some of the pictures here are saturated. This is because of the lighting during the event. But so far the printing, the background print are vibrant. So I don't have any complaints about the print. So what I see in my computer is also the same in my photo book. Customer support, I inquired about the delivery of the book and they responded to me within 24 hours. The standard delivery is 14 to 21 working days to produce the book, and another 2 to 5 days delivery. So that's quite a long time to deliver the book. They are also using DHL courier service. So the print is 4-color digital printing. The color pictures are nice. It is also matte finish. Binding, as I said, I love it. It is perfect bind side sewn. very clean, very good. I love it. The thing that I'm not fun is, yeah, the picture in front. Conclusion, I am satisfied with a good quality, and I just paid about $51. This is really a good catch. It's really cheap for a good quality book. So watch out for those promotion in Groupon, or check their website for some promotions.